This is YoloBox Extreme, the most advanced YoloBox model yet from YoloLiv. We are about to explore some of the most powerful new features in this model. This isn't just an upgrade to the YoloBox Ultra. It's a whole new category of innovation, takes live streaming to the next level, in a league of its own. Built upon extensive user feedback from the community, the YoloBox Extreme brings major hardware and software upgrades from all previous models. The first thing you might notice is the 8 HDMI inputs. Compared to the previous 4, this doubles the number of video sources you can connect. This means you can hook up to 8 cameras or different devices, including computers, drones, media players, action cameras, or professional camcorders. No more worries about running out of input ports, offering flexibility for any scenario while making multi-camera live streaming even more future-proof. Next, instead of a single HDMI output, YoloBox Extreme supports dual HDMI outputs, both assignable, allowing you to output different video feeds simultaneously. In the settings, you can configure resolution and frame rate, selecting between 4K 30, 1080p 60, 1080p 50, or other formats. These two HDMI outputs can also support different resolutions and frame rates independently. You can use one output for monitoring multiple views, while using the other as a video switcher, output to an external encoder for your workflow. Alternatively, you can project onto a large screen at an event, providing real-time visuals to the audience. This upgrade caters to diverse and complex live streaming scenarios. Another biggest change is the 11.2-inch OLED display. With a 2.5K resolution and a 120Hz refresh rate, this marks a huge improvement for our users. The 1000 nit peak brightness ensures clear visibility under direct sunlight, eliminating the need for a sunshade. Most importantly, thanks to OLED screen's excellent quality, every touch interaction is smoother and more responsive than any other previous YoloBox model, making switching between sources seamless. A larger body means a bigger built-in battery. Based on our tests, with the 1 HDMI inputs, YoloBox Extreme can stream for up to 10 hours. With the 3 HDMI inputs, it can last over 7 hours. Even with the 5 to 6 HDMI inputs, it can sustain streaming for about 3 hours without issues. While most users are already satisfied with the YoloBox Ultra's wireless connectivity and NDI's performance, we wanted to push things further. YoloBox Extreme includes 2 external antennas that enhance wireless stability and extend connection distances. Our tests show a maximum connection range of 90 meters. In cases where NDI alone may not be sufficient, this eliminates the need to purchase additional video transmission equipment, saving your extra costs. Of course, making all these upgrades possible require a major CPU upgrade from YoloBox Ultra. YoloBox Extreme is powered by Qualcomm's most advanced industry-grade CPU, the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2. This CPU is 1.8 times more powerful than the one in the YoloBox Ultra, offering superior multitasking capabilities and faster processing speeds. It also supports the latest standards including Android 13, Wi-Fi 7, and Bluetooth 5.3, ensuring compatibility with the newest devices and technologies while providing room for future upgrades. In terms of physical connectivities, most ports remain the same. There are 2 USB inputs for webcam or network bonding dongles, a fully functional USB-C port for webcam output or external SSD storage, line and MAC inputs, USB-C charging ports, a headphone jack, an LTE SIM slot, an SD card slot, and a power button. A quarter horseshoe mount is also present at the bottom for easy attachment for tripods or other mounting equipment options. With so many hardware and CPU enhancements, YoloBox Extreme also brings significant software upgrades. Its software is built on YoloBox Ultra's foundation, meaning it includes all the powerful features added to the Ultra over the past year, such as automatic video follow audio, full YoloDeck support, and upgraded and evolved audio mixer, custom multi-view, SRT support, app and web control, and all other new features added in 2024. Now, what are the exclusive software upgrades in Extreme? One of the biggest improvements is the support for up to 8 wireless NDI HX input sources. Compared to the Ultra's 3, NDI has always been a favorite feature among our users, freeing videographers from wired connections and enabling mobility for dynamic camera angles. It reduces cabling costs and setup time while fully utilizing smartphones as NDI sources, eliminating the need for expensive professional gears. Another highly requested feature is to further enhance our 4K capability. Just how powerful is YoloBox Extreme's 4K capability? YoloBox Extreme is likely the most powerful 4K production switcher available under $2,000. According to our tests, when using 5 4K 60 cameras, you can still stream at 4K 60. If you have 4 4K 30 cameras, you can simultaneously stream at 4K 30 while recording all 4 inputs separately at 4K 30. Extreme also supports 4K 30 HDMI output. However, when recording in 4K 30, due to encoding bandwidth limitations, the bitrate should be set within 30,000 kbps. When using high CPU functions like 4K streaming, always monitor CPU usage in top right corner of the interface. Keeping CPU usage below 80% is generally recommended to ensure stable performance. Improper configuration might lead to unexpected results, so please plan accordingly. Extreme supports up to 6 simultaneous ISO recordings or multicam replays at 1080p 60, significantly improving workflows for sports and high-action events. YoloBox has always been known for its intuitive, smartphone-like interface. Based on user feedback, we've refined the UI and UX details to be even more user-friendly. This includes a redesigned setting menu, live event page, and an event setting page. The program view in live events is now more streamlined and efficient, allowing users to focus on directing with seamless switching. Another new software feature is the director mode or preview mode. Users can choose between director mode and the classic mode they are familiar with. With the preview mode, videographers can pre-check video quality, ensuring proper focus, composition, and avoiding obstructions. It allows for confirming the correct camera angle, video source, or graphics before going live, reducing on-air mistakes. This mode also helps identify potential issues like black screens, incorrect inputs, or missing overlay before switching to the live feed, minimizing production errors. Additionally, users can set transition and effects and duration, making switching even more professional. The initial version of YoloBox Extreme does not support vertical streaming. Unlike the Ultra, we prioritize perfecting its horizontal streaming capabilities first to ensure rock-solid stability. Since it's unlikely that users will use 8 HDMI inputs for TikTok streaming, we will develop and add this feature in future updates. Aside from these upgrades, all existing YoloBox features remain intact. You still have the graphic overlays, built-in multi-view templates, network bonding, guest invitations, scoreboards, auto camera switching, and the ability to display viewer comments from streaming platforms. So that's what's new with YoloBox Extreme. I hope this video was helpful. Please give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next one.